case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit heard the case of Hullinghorst Industries, Inc. v. Carroll. The case centered around David E. Carroll, an employee of Hullinghorst Industries, who sustained an injury while working on a maritime pier repair project at a port facility owned by BASF Wyandotte Corp. Hullinghorst contested whether Carroll was covered under the Longshoremen's and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, arguing he was not engaged in maritime employment at the time of the injury. The court, however, disagreed with Hullinghorst and ruled that Carroll's work was essential to the maritime project, qualifying him for coverage under the Act. The court further determined that Hullinghorst was indeed a statutory employer in this context. Consequently, the Benefits Review Board granted Carroll federal compensation, a decision which was affirmed by the court. Hullinghorst appealed the decision, but the court found no legal error in the board's decision and therefore upheld it. The court maintained that Carroll was entitled to compensation under the Longshoremen's and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, supporting the ALJ's findings and rejecting Hullinghorst's argument. In doing so, the court favored testimony from Carroll and his doctors over opposition from Hullinghorst.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.